Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. Today I will be unboxing my new vacuum. It is the Hoover Windtunnel XL Pet Power for Pet Hair. It says less emptying, more cleaning, multi-purpose toolkit. It's XL 1.5 liter capacity. I got it at walmart.com. Used to be $100 something, and I got it for $59 plus tax, so it came out to like 60 something. Here's the top of the box. It says pet upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool. Let's see. The side of it shows you all the different stuff. It's like wind tunnel, no loss of suction. The other box does say the same thing, and the other side says the same thing. I already cut the top of the box to open it up, so let's see what we got inside. We got one side of the flap says, "Welcome to a new generation of clean." Tells you where to go to leave your review, which I will do that right after this video. Here's the owner manual. Pull that away. Here's one of the nozzles. So pretty. Oh, it has a paw print. That's cute. And then, hold on while I pull it out. Here's another brush. It says Hoover. It's a dusting brush. It's pretty soft. See how it is inside. Here's a nasty styrofoam that's bad for the environment. And here's the vacuum. I have to pull off this weird thing. It has a little tag on here. If I go around the other side, it says, attention, assemble handle. Remove screw, insert handle, vacuum base, and push down firmly. Insert screw and tighten with Phillips screwdriver. Discard instructions, and yeah. And you can see it has, if I can get this plastic off, you can see it's the Hoover handle. And let's see what else we got here. We got, oh, it says with power on if red. With power on if red clogs. And what? And here is the bag. It says clean filter, rinse, do not bend, 24-hour dry lift filter, and it's red, and it has this like white thingy, like the clear part in there because it's bagless. Let's see what else it's got in here. Give me 1 second, everybody. I will get back to you in a second because I have to lay down the box and pull out the vacuum. So 1 second, everybody. As we go here, we have the handle that comes off. You can see it right here. See, it's a long handle. It's that extender handle for the, it says the crevice tool. And then there's the button here. You go up for on, down for off. And if I can pull the vacuum out, it has a nozzle. So if you see my feet and my leg, I'm trying to pull the vacuum out. Give me 1 second, everybody. There it is. If you look at it, it comes like this. It has more ugly styrofoam. So what that makes sure is that it doesn't break. And it has another ugly styrofoam so it doesn't break. It has this plastic here that I gotta take off. And give me 1 second, everybody. And as I take off the vacuum, stand it up, cord. You can see that the vacuum is for carpet. There's 5, 4, 3, 2 is a low carpet, and then there's hardwood floor, and it's Hoover, and it has here for the wind tunnel suction, and it has this piece right here, because what you're supposed to do is you take this, and it's supposed to attach like that. And then you have this handle that goes in here. Let me see. It goes in here. And it goes all the way down. And you can see the handles on there. And, whoops. See, it pulls off easily. So you gotta be careful how to do that. You gotta put it on. Hold on 1 second, everybody. You gotta figure out how to put it on so it doesn't come off. Let's see. Should be able to go in without any problem. And then you're supposed to take the top of this, and it's supposed to sit on top. So when it sits on top, everybody, it'll sit like this, and it'll be like this long vacuum. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up. And thanks for watching with my unboxing. Bye.